Welcome to our channel, Systems. In today's video, we're exploring the amazing health benefits of oranges, one of the most popular and nutritious fruits in the world. From boosting your immune system with vitamin C to improving skin health, aiding digestion, and even helping with weight management. Oranges are a powerhouse of essential nutrients. Whether you enjoy them fresh, juiced, or in your favorite recipes, these citrus fruits have so much to offer. Stick around to learn how incorporating oranges into your diet can lead to a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition insights.
The mighty orange, a nutritional powerhouse. Oranges are one of the most popular fruits worldwide. They are delicious and nutritious. You can enjoy them in many ways. From a quick snack to a refreshing juice, oranges offer a burst of flavor and a wealth of health benefits. But what makes this citrus fruit a true nutritional powerhouse? Oranges are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to support overall health. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C. They also provide fiber, potassium, folate, and various antioxidants. These nutrients play vital roles in maintaining a healthy body. Oranges are not just delicious, but incredibly versatile. Enjoy them fresh, juiced, or as an ingredient in various dishes. Their tangy sweetness adds a refreshing twist to salads, desserts, and even savory meals. Incorporating oranges into your diet is easy and rewarding. So the next time you grab an orange, remember that you're not just indulging in a tasty treat. You're giving your body a powerful dose of essential nutrients. Let's delve deeper into the surprising health benefits of this citrus wonder. Vitamin C superstar, your immune system's best friend. Oranges are famous for their high vitamin C content. This potent vitamin is a crucial player in maintaining a robust immune system. How does vitamin C work its magic? Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your body, weakening your immune system and increasing the risk of chronic diseases. Think of vitamin C as your body's personal bodyguard against these harmful invaders. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin C helps your immune system stay strong and ready to fight off infections. This is especially important during cold and flu season or when you're feeling run down. A regular dose of vitamin C from oranges can give your immune system the extra support it needs to keep you healthy. Fiber power, keeping things moving and grooving. Besides being a vitamin C powerhouse, oranges are also an excellent source of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system and overall well-being. It adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. But the benefits of fiber go beyond just keeping things moving smoothly in your gut. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Furthermore, fiber contributes to a feeling of fullness, which can be helpful for managing weight. By making you feel fuller for longer, fiber can help prevent overeating and support healthy weight management. Potassium punch balancing act for your blood pressure. Oranges pack a punch when it comes to potassium, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Potassium acts as a natural counterbalance to sodium, which is known to raise blood pressure. When your diet is high in sodium, it can disrupt the delicate balance of fluids in your body, leading to increased blood pressure. Potassium helps to flush out excess sodium, relaxing blood vessel walls and lowering blood pressure. Regular consumption of potassium-rich foods like oranges is linked to a reduced risk of stroke, heart attacks, and other cardiovascular diseases. By incorporating oranges into your diet, you can give your heart a healthy boost and keep your blood pressure in check. Folate focus, supporting cell growth and development. Oranges are a good source of folate, also known as vitamin B9. Folate is essential for various bodily functions, including cell growth and development. It plays a crucial role in DNA synthesis and repair, ensuring the proper functioning of cells throughout your body. Folate is particularly important during pregnancy, as it supports the healthy development of the baby's neural tube, which later forms the brain and spinal cord. Adequate folate intake during pregnancy is crucial for preventing birth defects. Oranges are a delicious and easy way to boost your folate intake, supporting overall health and well-being. Antioxidants assemble, fighting free radicals with every bite. Oranges are bursting with antioxidants, powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Antioxidants act like scavengers, neutralizing free radicals and preventing them from causing havoc in your body. Oranges are particularly rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that has been linked to numerous health benefits, including reduced inflammation and improved heart health. By incorporating oranges into your diet, you can boost your antioxidant intake and help your body fight off free radical damage, promoting overall health and longevity. I spy with my little orange carotenoids for vision health. Oranges contain carotenoids, pigments that give the fruit its vibrant orange color. Carotenoids are converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision. Two carotenoids found in oranges, lutein and zeaxanthin, are particularly beneficial for eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin accumulate in the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp central vision. They act as natural sunglasses, protecting your eyes from harmful blue light and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. AMD is a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. By including oranges in your diet, you can increase your intake of these eye-protecting carotenoids and support long-term vision health. Hydration Hero Juicy Goodness for a happy body. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Oranges, with their high water content, are a delicious and refreshing way to stay hydrated. Water is involved in countless bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and flushing out waste products. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. It can also put a strain on your kidneys and other organs. Oranges, being about 87% water, can contribute to your daily fluid intake and help you stay properly hydrated. So, the next time you're feeling thirsty, reach for a juicy orange. It's a tasty and hydrating way to quench your thirst and support your body's optimal functioning. Easy to peel, easy to love. Incorporating oranges into your day. Incorporating oranges into your diet is incredibly easy. Their versatility makes them a welcome addition to various meals and snacks. Enjoy them fresh, juiced, or as an ingredient in your favorite recipes. Start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. Add orange segments to your breakfast cereal or yogurt. Pack an orange as a healthy and refreshing snack. Oranges also lend themselves well to both sweet and savory dishes. Add orange segments to salads for a burst of flavor and texture. Use orange zest to enhance the taste of baked goods. Experiment with orange juice in marinades and sauces for a tangy twist. With their convenience and versatility, oranges make it easy to enjoy their incredible health benefits daily. The proof is in the pulp. Scientific studies sing oranges' praises. The health benefits of oranges are not just folklore, they are backed by scientific evidence. Numerous studies have investigated the impact of orange consumption on various aspects of health. Research has shown that regular orange consumption is associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases. For instance, studies have linked orange intake to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. The antioxidants and fiber in oranges have been credited with these protective effects. Furthermore, research suggests that orange consumption may improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. The fiber in oranges helps regulate blood sugar levels. The potassium in oranges has been linked to improved blood pressure regulation. The evidence is clear. Incorporating oranges into your diet is a wise investment in your long-term health. Orange, you glad you read this? A citrusy call to action. From boosting your immune system to protecting your vision and supporting your heart health, oranges offer an array of impressive benefits. Their delicious taste and versatility make them a joy to include in your daily diet. So next time you're looking for a healthy and refreshing snack or ingredient, reach for an orange. Your body will thank you for it. Choose oranges that are firm, heavy for their size, and have smooth skin. Store them at room temperature or in the refrigerator. Incorporate oranges into your daily routine. Enjoy them fresh, juiced, or as an ingredient in your favorite recipes. By making oranges a regular part of your diet, you can reap the rewards of this nutritional powerhouse.